flashed my mind back. Honestly, I thought about you.
Yeah.
Because situation like that, when God bless you, think about people that
expecting this kind of miracle.
Everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. All my returning, I'm loyal, I'm humble. I appreciate every one of you. May not just ignore this smile. This time, my body just get a severe. I just see this my sister Editorial and Ushe Wednesday. Congratulations to you once again. I don't first celebrate tonight. I dance with tonight. Yes. I wish you a safe delivery. As Editorial did not, they upload her video. Ushe Wednesday, they upload her video. Now who they Zuzu, now who they Calavanti. God have blessed this of our sister. Oh. I wish they safe delivery. I pray may the Almighty God continue to guide them and protect them. Those who they wait for the fruit of the womb. I pray God who they give children should still give those who they wait. Yes, we know a lot of people when we still get for mind and if we sit down for here Saturday, measure. Yes, I can't wait to see those when we see they watch online, when they expect their baby, we can't still wait to hear say, she's pregnant, they are pregnant. In fact, we'll still tie, we'll still dance for her. Most ladies, our sister also. I don't want to mention anybody. You know yourself. You will upload video of recent when we react about a bad friend. I pray, may God. We can't wait for you to hold your own baby. Yes, that is the to announce and we go to celebrate her. A lot of our sisters, when we they look onto when we they look, say, oh, this our sister, I don't do to get picky. You know yourself. Don't worry. Very soon, God who remember who she wins. God will still remember you. Yes, the Editorial I don't already get to. And our shortalize, the main purpose of me want to do this video. Our shortalize when our sister Editorial say she still wait, she still wait like 3 months to conceive. I don't know whether you see this my video or if she even see whether why she wait for 3 months. My people, I'm just so curious. I don't know how I would tap that message. First, when you don't get 2 children, then she still dey wait again. Now because of the prevention when we they take. Now because of the prevention, please, if you get any idea, leave it in the comment section, okay? Now because of the prevention when she take, maybe when she no want get belly now, she no want get belly, then she can't go take prevention. Maybe time when she can't take the need, she can't still dey wait for the fruit of womb. My people, this life for 3 months. Well, 3 months is not too big, but when you dey expect something, the thing or the coin, if you never one day, how they do person, you'll be like say, what did they happen? You they expect no more to go reach, I know say no easy too, but I was so shut alive when she say 3 months, she's they expect baby when she see her, she can't be happy. My people, I don't know whether now prevention because woman when dog fed born before, not be one. I once something like that will happen. 2 person will see the hey God, do I dare go? Those who never get before, I pray may the good Lord bless you guys. I can't wait. I know one of my friend's sister. She don't do the social media. I believe she see this my video. I can't wait to hear her hold her own baby. I can't wait. I can't really wait. My second sister Editorial, she dey narrate people when she dey pray for my sister. You dey pray for people now you feel I'm sorry so you say make people leave their opinion, you understand my opinion. As far as I get channel to react, I'll carry and call my channel come react. I'm sorry if this my video hurts you. I'm so sorry, okay? But you can correct me if you like to correct me. I know they react for hate. Me, I be one person I always they say I know they react for hate, but if I see that thing, the way I think, I know the thickness, if I thickness not do us with the reactor, they too they think deep, with they too they think deep. If you know, No, I just carry me as I just suffer. If like say me don't fit carry on. Shakara the end, shakara the you don't carry with it. I lie, because the thing as you just they do me now so pregnant too. Pregnant not they pass like this now attack off. You go weak, all your body go weak. My people, I was shortalized when Editorial they mention people when she they pray for. No, sir, this is my sister. You they pray for people when they wait for the fruit of womb. Now you feel laugh your sister, say because say your sister just no word, and I'm sorry, no beside the wake matter when you don't pass. I want use and still give we. Mostly me. I want to use and talk to myself. They pray for people who they wait for the fruit of womb. And you don't say your sister. You tell me say you don't say your sister they wait for the fruit of womb. She they pray to God. She they expect God to bless her with her husband. Then your sister problem. Then you open mouth to use her insult her. Use her insult her and say whether her husband if cassava not dey fertilize or cucumber not dey fertilize. and you are inside your room praying for Uche Wednesday, abi you just by talking for camera. I'm sorry, una not come for me. Be like me, see, una not drag me. I get, but me I stand up, me I show una. Una not say na lie, they lie. I get belle, me I show una na, because I don't want show una since. Eh, eh, me I get to see my children. They all come outside. They want confirm whether their mama really get belle. I don't have baby. I'm just doing video. My daughter, she's her mom. She's so anxious for her mommy to give her baby. But now, let me enjoy my girl. My sister, according to what I try to tell you, you dey inside house, they pray for Uche Wednesday. When you don't know for anywhere, now social media you for no one. I bet me not come for me. Then you are there praying for Lilipo. Lilipo you don't know for anywhere, now social media you for no one. And you are there praying for one of our sister for Italy. When you don't know, now social media for no. I know that I wanted to know person, but you are inside your house mocking your cousin. I beg, no, now leave me for ways to editorial lovers. Let's smart tranquille. Now that call, let's smart tranquille. I'm here. Parler doucement, doucement, doucement. I don't have the strength. Je n'ai pas fort pour parler beaucoup, beaucoup, beaucoup. Je parle un petit peu, un petit peu, un petit peu. I dey talk small, small. I don't get that power to talk too much. Editorial lovers, I beg you, let me enjoy my crew now. I don't catch my cruise for a year. I don't catch my cruise. I beg, let me feel at home in my house. I don't enter anybody house. As I watch the video, I say, me I carry a come and me I use that. My people, I was so shocktalized when our sister said, "I'm praying for you." Two of the content, two of them I don't know before when I just friend the one thing, friend the one I really happy for both of Nasha. I happy, but that part when editorial they say I dey pray for Lilipo, I dey pray for Uche Wednesday, I dey pray for one of our sister when they Italy, and you never pray for your sister UK family. Oh, now be cousin. You know who mention. I believe if na UK family go see mention your name, you say my sister. How? Why? How? No place when they not the quarrel. If I tell you when they for not the quarrel, my beautiful sister, clear your name, When you are in public, please maintain your anger. Okay, that's not good. When you are in public, always try and maintain your anger. It's very, very important. You, when you laugh your sister, say your sister, whether your husband or they do to vaga, and you who still pass through waiting for the fruit of womb, waiting for God to bless you. I know your prayer, all of us pray and make God as I zoom you enter inside with the human being, we get problem. We'll give birth to boys. We'll say, God, give me girl. We'll give birth to girls. Oh God, give me. But I know it's good to get the both side. But when God bless us, it's more better than we don't have. You understand? I can see it in your eyes now, Editorial. You need boy. I know if God still bless you with baby girl, why not? But when God will bless you with baby girl, your joy go full. It go full like this water wine they sip for years. So it go full. And I my wish to you. I pray make God bless you with baby boy. All baby not the same, whether boy or girl, all not the same. Child not child. And the one God give us, we appreciate God. We give thanks to God. We give praise to God. But as a human being, we love to give birth to girl, birth to boy. Oh. Let me play that part before I call it a day. I don't use that rant. It's a day funny, my people. You are not carry pick and pexing now. We are just cashing crooks here.
Like 3 months. 3 months. You see, the 4th month I was I won't go to gym. Make I slim down so that I will. I went there. Did you ever supposed to come? No, come. Okay. Gangara, no come. So I was like, okay, make I wait till the 3 days because my period is usually 3 days. Exactly. So I now waited 3 days past period. Don't come. I say, have you this my husband? What can I see you? This my husband now become prophet. So after the 4th day period don't finish, the 5th day period don't finish. Just I was like, okay, happy. Of course you won't feel anything at that point. No, nothing. I was not feeling anything. So I now said, okay, let me go and get a strip. There's this strip I got when I tried for Venice. Okay. I bought like 4. So it was still remaining inside my drawer. So I removed it. You see, don't bend. I just do this thing. I now set the camera. I said, let me do like pregnancy test. And see when I now dip the thing inside the ring. Now throw away, held it. The thing was going. Let's say one line comes back. One line show. Then the second line when they come small. Gradually. Oh my goodness. Editorial is pregnant. That's how I was doing that video. Are you seeing that? Baby number 3. Baby number 3 loading.
Oh my goodness.
Baby number 3 is loading. That's why I don't find myself for that. You know, so
wow.
You know, so that was how I find out. I was happy. I was grateful to God. Now, I flashed my mind back. You know, honestly, I thought about you.
Yeah.
Because a situation like that, when God bless you, think about people that
are expecting this kind of miracle too.
Expecting, that kind of miracle too.
Yeah.
You know, I thought about you. You know, because you people were 3 that I used to pray for you people.
Yeah.
So, you don't know. Lily, you and this girl that used to sing, what's her name?
Wait, she stays in Nigeria?
No, she stays in abroad. Yeah, she's
okay. God has blessed.
Hear that part. When I'm not saying I mean the lie. She said she dey pray for 3 people. When her sister don't under her nose, when you don't marry, when you just new married, you don't, if I get 2 children, but UK lacks son, is senior her first daughter, her second daughter, and she not seen as to pray for editorial. I'm here catching my coat. No wonder when our sister Lily, when you see the truth, he goes stand for the truth. He say now editorial. I need to fight for my editorial. Wahala too much for this street too. Some people when they get favorite. And they will say the truth. They will say no, don't be the truth. So now the last, what's my favorite? Let me use the light. They paint everywhere. Ha! Okay, now I understand why Lilipo they really fight. They okay. But Lilipo no say no be only editorial. Many of us we pray for you. That means we not carry and write off our face. When I go see that you cry, when you go cry, your eye, whoa, Yoruba say whoa, female like Joe, when you go cry, no woman when you go watch that you cry. As your eye go taste so love when you go taste that hotel. That means many of us not they comment. We they watch all those videos. My people say me I carry and come on and say editorial really they pray for people when they say my parent was say na inside house they for the sweep go outside though. When you know from inside house sweep go outside. You come from outside the sweep come inside house. So I cross my leg. I wish both of my beautiful sister, my fellow content creators, safe delivery. Okay, they eat any kind of food when you know say the street they eat her. The all those pregnant so now they talk. My people, if you be lady, as they already talk, if you be lady when you're just taking till the day when you take it, till the day when you born, you know, ever experience vomit, spit, sickness, rejected food, if you eat, they put your 2 name for ground, they appreciate God day and night. I know say all pregnant not be the same, but my 2 kicks when me get. In fact, I go hospital, come back. Now no say I be like man, I don't always talk. If I even think I go remember all those sick when person go sick. I say God, I beg. Not I'm done with you, but you'll see fear, you'll see the shake like baby, I the catch you go, something like that. Is if you be woman where you go just take him, just born, experience all those sickness. I remember when I get my son, Bele, my people, wait till editorial just her story when she did talk about how she vomit for 1 month, she can't go sleep. And so my daughter, that time my daughter small, and so go meet. If I remember that part, I go tight my rope. I know when my children grow, at least if I can't say me, I will add one. God bless me with. After they don't know something, they feel they take care of themselves. They feel nobody say take care of their place. Like they feel do 40% or 50%. Like my daughter and I don't feel they do like so many percentage. They are not good, not can. My people, I say me I bring this my tafia. And this video, I not do one to hot editorial. I not do one for to wake up matter. I not do one to bring bitterness. No. I just do one to cash crew. I just do want to just to still take crack my own happy. Everybody know na happy. Me not to drop anything hate comments. No, I just try to tell my sisters. You all try to tell anybody. If you wear editorial shoe like this, as body taste crash, you not scratching like that. Okay, please control your mouth. Woman wey not get space. I know some women dey where they never boom their mouth. When they go dig you, then when they go diggy, you go when they go diggy, you go diggy. But we should try and control our anger. If editorial fit sit down, they pray for Uche Wednesday, they pray for. I believe you're not supposed to open your mouth, insult your sister, say whether her husband, cassava, cucumber, not they work. You when you know say you don't they try, you know if you tell me say you cannot they try. And if you did that kind of position, not mock anybody. Yes, I know say sometimes anger can take us to wherever we know where we don't expect ourselves. We don't know say that word once we don't throw away and you don't talk to. We should control ourselves. Me they talk to myself. If you see me, you know say me. I purposely talk to myself, say, God, give me patience, control my mouth, control my anger, control everything controllable. You understand? I say they use and they advise other people outside. We should be very careful. We should know what we use against somebody who they close to us, because we don't know what those people they pass through. Mostly women when they wait for the fruit of womb, whether if I get 10 before, whether if I get 20 before, as far as she's waiting for the fruit of womb, no mocking, no use on mocking. Just I get to talk. See, I miss my next video. Please give me massive thumbs up like this. Drop your opinion, not hateful opinion, peaceful opinions. Wish my beautiful colleague sister, wish a Wednesday and editorial, safe delivery, and congratulations.
To discuss, cause I they win by default and without any doubt.